Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're going to be discussing corporate directors and corporate directorships here in the Kingdom of Thailand, specifically on limited companies here in the Kingdom. Well, what are we talking about? Why are we saying pros and cons of singular versus multiple directorships? Well, mostly you're going to see this in the context of small businesses. I especially see this with small farang or foreign businesses that are being run here in the Kingdom. And basically, you'll often see it where it's almost just sort of a one-man band, for lack of a better term, where it's basically somebody who's coming here to set up a small business to support themselves in the Kingdom and work, but they really don't have a large staff. It's a fairly small enterprise. Under these circumstances, the debate does kind of come up as to whether or not one or more directors is optimal. At first glance, those who do business here in the Kingdom sort of say, well, you know, it's my company, especially under amity. I see this with a lot of Americans. They sort of say, it's my company, I'm the main shareholder, and I want to be the singular director. The major downside with singular directorships is the fact that they rather mundane tasks, corporate tasks, sometimes require either a director meeting or a shareholder meeting. Well, in a one-director company, a director meeting isn't possible for some of these things. Don't get me wrong. There are certain things that are statutorily prescribed to only utilize shareholder meetings. But there are others that it can be either or sometimes there are things that can just be a director meeting under certain circumstances. Basically, what I'm trying to get at is director meetings can be a little bit more streamlined of a process to undertake the formalities necessary to hold one and to go ahead and get the requisite authorization associated with a director meeting, and when compared to a shareholder meeting. So depending on how the company's set up, director meetings may be more optimal compared to shareholder meetings. But that being said, it's going to depend on the circumstances of the given company. But it is food for thought for those who are looking to do business here in the Kingdom. Again, some things that at first glance may seem sort of almost self-evident, like, you know, I just want to be the sole director of the company. There actually could be some downsides with respect to that. There could be, most notably, again, things that are rather mundane corporate activities with a singular directorship may require a shareholder meeting, which again is going to be more time consuming, is going to require more formalities, as opposed to a director meeting, which kind of in certain cases, not all cases, is a more streamlined process.